Hey guys, today we're going to be tackling Ideogram, which is an AI tool to which you can speak naturally. It doesn't have safeguards on it, so if you want to talk about celebrities or have it grab very public figures and make them do various things and make hilarious political commentary, you can do that. Basically, most of the other AI tools won't let you work with celebrities or well-known figures, or they're really bad on text. But this one is pretty superb. You get 25 credits per day, which is nice. 25 credits will last you a good half an hour. This is especially good for brainstorming. You can work with logos and pictures for your YouTube channel if you want to. But let's get started. Once again, it's Ideogram, Ideogram. Sign in with your Google account, and you can speak in natural language on this one. That's one of the coolest things about it. It's like Bard or ChatGPT where you can just speak naturally into the thing. So describe what you want to see here. Let's do something like a political commentary or something like that. I went to ChatGPT earlier today and just said, show me some polarizing figures. Of course, Donald Trump was number one and Kim Jong-un. So let's use those two. I want just speak naturally to see Donald Trump smiling and waving to the crowd from atop the Trump building with Kim Jong-un riding a rocket toward him. I don't know. I'm just making this up as I go along. Let's just see what that does. We'll just leave it on lucky style and not choose one of these things yet. Let's just hit generate. This is a very simple one. This might be fun for creators to try. Sometimes it will get what you're doing, sometimes it will not. And as you can see there, it's rendering. So you get 25 credits a day, which is more than enough to play with. Oh my God, these are phenomenal. Look at this. Okay, wow. Okay, let's look at this one. Doesn't have the faces down, but you get the idea. Look at all the people down here. Okay, these are crazy. This one's pretty good on the face, actually, on the Trump face. He's got a rainbow rocket. That's pretty hilarious. I'm gonna save that. Go over here to the three dots probably. Yeah, there we go. Let's download. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's see, what else can we do? Make it raining apples with onions, with giant onion trees sprouting up everywhere. Maybe we'll tackle runway next time. So once again, you get 25 credits a day. That's nice. That's more than enough to play with. Oh, these ones are even better. Wow, look at the faces actually getting closer. That's kind of crazy. Look at that. These are insane. Okay, none of my prompt really went through, but it seems like it's iterating on itself. Okay, here we go. Here's the onion trees with the apples falling everywhere. Oh my God. Okay, that one's not so good, but it's more accurate to the thing. Okay, let's save this one. Let's just go to the three little dots over here. Download. What's this remix? I'm not sure what this is, but let's just hit it again. Remix. Nah, those ones aren't. Oh, this one's pretty good. Now let's get down to something that might be a little bit more useful for you, especially if you're a YouTuber. Like, let's get into like logo creation. I need a new logo for my channel, so let's work on that. I am a content creator named Chicago Rusty. I need a new logo. My theme colors are vibrant orange, yellow, and blue. Let's just hit generate and see what we got. Or let's hit typography. Let's see what that does. I don't like that already. Okay, sometimes it messes up the spelling, but it does better than most of the other AI models out there. Chicago Rusty, a content creator. That's so general. It's got the colors on this one. I don't like the city stuff in the background. I have nothing to do with Chicago. It's just my name. Let's just do Rusty. Let's put Rusty and just get rid of the Chicago stuff. Get rid of typography. Ratio to 16:9. We can mess with that later if we want to. Let's try Lucky Style Graffiti. It just randomly picked graffiti for me. Ideogram does not have an option to upload pictures to it, probably because it doesn't have the safeguards of a lot of the other AI tools. Don't like those at all. Let's get rid of graffiti and then just hit generate. Oof, there's a person on that one. It's not gonna be me. This one's kind of sick in a way. Show me a representation of AI, education, YouTube, and humor. The color scheme, let's try that. Describes my channel pretty well at this point. Oof rip. I don't think so. Oof rip so far. What the heck? Oh, this one right here. Sick. Wow, these are neat though. None of it's in English. It's in AIEs. Yes, that one's good. I'm not gonna do anything with it. I'm just gonna save it and I'll put it on my community page for you to ogle goggle. That's a pretty good. image. I don't love it, but I'll download it. Let's see how many credits we have left. Where's my profile? 18 credits left. Okay. I need a PFP. My name is Rusty. Maybe we'll just change my PFP. Hi, I'm Rusty. Seriously? Oh my God. Look at this one though. That's horrible, but it's AI though. It's so insane. Okay, I'm saving that one. This one's scary. Don't like. Okay, let's get rid of that. What else could we use this for? A general YouTuber logo. Let's just try that. Let's keep it super general. General. It took it literally. Wow, that's kind of interesting. That one right there. That one's kind of cool. They're not useful, but it's good for brainstorming though. Let's do Jennifer, just for fun. Lopez in Antarctica, standing next to the firmament. Then maybe we'll do one on flat Earth, which is hilarious. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Oh my God. Yes. Oh, that doesn't look like her at all though. It's J-Lo standing next to the firmament. Let's try Jennifer Lopez starring in a fantastical, futuristic, science fiction musical called This Is Me. Now she is completely out of touch. Now let's do movie poster. Boom. Let's see what we get. This is hilarious. Ooh, these are bad. Not even close, dude. Let's get rid of this. I'm confusing AI. No. Oh, there's one with the title. Yeah, there we go. That one's okay. Okay. Let's do Conan O'Brien in a battle to the death with Tom Segura. Let's go. Now we're improvising. Oh, it doesn't know who they are. It sort of knows who Conan is, doesn't know who Tom is. Conan O'Brien delivering his monologue to gray aliens. Oh, wow, these are wild. It doesn't look like him at all, but I'm gonna download that one because it's, what else we got here? Yep, these are sick. These are all sick. I'm keeping all these. Oh my God, that's the closest one right there. Let's do Bert Kreischer being devoured by a loudly squealing giant pig. Oh God, come on. Show me a good one on this one. No, that ain't it. Let's see that one. Doesn't look like him at all, not even close. I'm gonna save the best for last. This looks like something from the 1920s. Bert Kreischer, hurt by America's funny man. Oh my God. Okay. Who else should we make fun of? Oh, let's do Pauly Shore. Pauly Shore standing firmly at the entrance to the Comedy Store. Let's see how many credits we got left. 10 left. That doesn't look like Pauly Shore. That's Bradley Cooper. Oh, no, it's not. Ugh, these are so inaccurate. I guess you have to be like a mega celebrity. Okay. You must have to be like a super mega celebrity. Like bigger than Pauly Shore, who's already huge. Let's do one that's absolutely insane. Show me a planet completely populated by the Rizzlers, a race of rizzed out humanoid stallion men. Okay. Kind of cray. I'll use up all my credits. I'll come back tomorrow maybe and do more. Populared by, yikes, my spelling. Oh my God. Look at these dope sauces. That one's sick. Right click or left click the 3 dots, download it, show me for later. I don't appreciate the rainbows showing up everywhere. Not a fan of that. Why does it always have to be rainbows? Oh, it's because show me a planet completely populated by, let's just try a really general one. The Rizzlers. This is fun. I don't know how useful this is going to be. Next model will probably be way more useful, but it's good for brainstorming and it's good for creators. Okay, this is stupid. I don't know why it would. That has nothing to do with anything, not even close. Okay, this is, okay, we'll take it. We'll take it. That's a good one. It's still weird in the faces, but that's fine. See, it's again with the rainbow stuff. Not everything's rainbows. Oh, this one's good. Here, let's finagle with this one a bit. Okay. Let's do and hit remix. Okay, it helps you out with the prompt. That's pretty cool. Stunningly detailed poster of a distant alien planet where an entire population of Rizzlers reside. The Rizzlers are small green creatures with antenna and a penchant for music. They play various instruments, guitars, drums, and keyboards, forming a massive orchestra. That's so sick though. Okay, let's just try up the image weight, hit generate. It'll give us 4 more choices, remix from that image. That's kind of sick. Don't they all look the same? I think they all look the same. They're sick. Let's download. They worship the one main Rizzler. This is going to be sick, I bet. Keep it on 16:9. Okay, generate. What in the name of... Okay, we got Dragon Ball over here. They're kind of sick. I like this one. Dude, but I don't like some things I don't like about it. Not everything has to use every color. This one's kind of sick. I don't like the remix feature. It doesn't really do that much. He is casting his Riz spell on everyone in the universe simultaneously. He's casting Riz on everybody. Oh, wow. Why does it keep showing me Dragon Ball? I can see as it's rendering. These are Dragon Ball. Okay, it's the spell casting, I guess. Look at that. Kind of interesting, kind of evil. The Rizzler, the kindest god in the universe. He is smiling and kind and giving. Let's try that. Oh, that's an evil elephant down below. Oh, that's sick. The kindest god in the universe. Let's go. Let's take that one. That one's sick. It's got some Indian imagery. Oh, that one's cool. These are great. Don't love that one. This guy. Thanks for watching, guys. Maybe we'll tackle runway next time. These tools are going crazy, and March is going to be crazy for AI stuff. And as creators, we just need to like stay ahead of the curve.